We'll guide you through how to save your work as a PNG in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape and load up the design or image you want to save. Once your design is ready, go to the top menu and click on File from the drop-down menu. Select Export PNG Image. This action will open a panel typically on the right side of your screen. In this panel, you'll see several options. Under the export area, you can choose what part of your canvas you want to save. If you want the whole page, select Page. If you just want the design, select Drawing. There are also options for selection and custom. Next, you need to select the file location. At the bottom of the export panel, you'll see Export As. Click on the folder icon next to it, and a dialog box will appear allowing you to choose where to save your PNG file. Make sure to name your file appropriately and ensure that the file type is set to PNG. Once you've selected your desired location and file name, click Save. Before you hit the export button, you can adjust the resolution if needed. The default is usually set at 96 dpi, which is fine for most web applications, but if you want a higher resolution for printing, you might want to increase this value. When everything looks good, click on the export button at the bottom of the panel. Inkscape will now save your design as a PNG file in the location you specified. Now you're all set with a crisp PNG version of your work that you can use anywhere. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.